Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the passwords and security, then go to the authorization and reservation, no, privacy, encryption and credentials, and here you have to select the last option, clear credentials, remove all certificates, and then confirm it by tapping OK. And as you can see, credential storage has been erased. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.